Hi, welcome back to Cooking with Hua, where I make cooking and baking made easy. Today I'll be making easy beef fried rice. I'm keeping my beef fried rice super easy, so the only vegetable I'll be using is green onions. And 2 large eggs. This recipe will make 2 servings. I have leftover brown jasmine rice from the night before, so this is about 4 cooked cup rice. I am slicing my green onions at an angle just to make it a prettier presentation, but feel free to cut your vegetables any way you like. Mix your 2 eggs and we are going to scramble it shortly. I like to cook my eggs separately versus cook my eggs within the fried rice itself. I'm using olive oil to cook my scrambled eggs, but feel free to use any cooking oil. Scramble your eggs, and then all you have to do is put it in a bowl and set it to the side. I'm keeping my beef fried rice super easy, so I'm going to use ground beef, and I'm just going to cook it directly in the pan that I used earlier to scramble my eggs. And you'll want to season your ground beef. Season your ingredients while you're cooking is going to keep your dish very flavorful. Continue to cook your ground beef until it's fully cooked. I'm using 80% fat and 20% lean, so I didn't add any extra oil. Once the ground beef is fully cooked, just put it in a bowl and set it to the side. In the same pan, add in some cooking oil. My choice is again olive oil, and we're going to reheat that cold jasmine brown rice. Feel free to use white jasmine rice or any rice on hand. Using leftover cold rice prevents your fried rice from being too mushy. If you are using fresh rice, I do have a tutorial on my bacon and garlic fried rice to show you tips on how to make fried rice using fresh rice. Please remember to subscribe. Subscribing helps support this channel and allows me to keep making content like this for you. We're going to season the ground beef fried rice with some oyster flavor sauce and coconut aminos. If you don't have coconut aminos, please feel free to use soy sauce. Now the oyster sauce and the coconut aminos gives it a very great balance of umami flavors. It's a bit of sweetness with a bit of saltiness. Continue to mix the brown rice with the oyster sauce and the soy sauce. Now you're going to want to add in the cooked ground beef. And then mix the rice with the sauce with the ground beef. That's why it's really important that you have everything ready, because the cooking part comes together really quick. And now you also want to add in your scrambled eggs that you cooked earlier. Continue to mix everything together and add in some salt and also some black pepper, which is going to give it a really good bite and flavor to your fried rice. Make sure you mix everything together and then sprinkle on top your green onions that you sliced earlier. And you are done. All you have left to do is to plate your beautiful easy beef fried rice. I hope you enjoyed my easy beef fried rice tutorial. Please comment down below and let me know what recipe you would like me to make next. And if you do make my easy beef fried rice, please make sure to tag me on Instagram. Thanks so much for joining me on my cooking tutorial today. Stay safe and well.